I am an assistant commissioner posted in Kachar district. Sir, is the screen visible, sir, right now?
Yes. Yes, please.
Okay, sir. So since the problem was coming before also, I'm trying to move the slides. Sir, if you will be kind enough to once confirm if the slides are moving forward.
Okay, you move it, we'll let you know. You are on the first slide now.
Okay, sir.
If you click on the, yes, it is.
Yes. Sir, so first I would like to give a brief context of what Abhijogir Pratikar is all about. Sir, Abhijogir Pratikar is a phrase in Bengali which when translated means a complaint solution. It was a public grievance redressal mechanism which was employed by district administration Kachar to fill in the gaps which were coming in resolving the complaints of citizens. So if we see the existing system, sir, what happens is that people come to the deputy commissioner's office. Generally, they find themselves in a maze of departments, in a maze of desks, departments, branches, etc. And what happens is they move from branch to branch, not knowing how to solve their grievance, not knowing who will listen to them. So earlier there was no system of properly ensuring that individual complaint of citizens is resolved. And if we consider citizens coming to officers, not all of them could achieve that. And moreover, officers, including deputy commissioner, are not always available to ensure that they listen to the grievances of public. They have field visits, etc. So what we devised is we devised आपका mechanism, a public grievance cell specifically to ensure that any complaint which is coming through the citizens is received by that particular cell. That complaint is entered in a Google spreadsheet, which is shared across all the departments. So any new complaint which comes, it is reflected in the login of the department, who can see that any such complaint has come. So moreover, to ensure one-to-one redressal of complaints, every Friday at 10 a.m., that Abhijogir Pratikar is organized in Deputy Commissioner's office, which is open to all. Any citizen can come, any citizen can bring their relevant documents and tell their grievances to Deputy Commissioner along with all the line departments, all the senior assistants of branches that are present there in the room. So we have done a dual system. That dual system ensures that citizens who are coming on additional days, their complaint is received as well as entered systematically, which is visible to all the line departments. And secondly, we have also given them an opportunity to come in person and tell any grievance that they have, which is open to all. And in that Friday meeting, after listening the complaints of the people, uh, a review of the complaints that are existing is done. So whichever departments are lagging behind, whichever departments have not completed the redressal of the complaints, they are taken to task and feedback is taken from them. It is so sir, as I've already told, the Google form is made in which all the complaints which are coming are entered, whether they are coming in person or whether they are coming through docket, and that is tracked through. So what we have seen is that it has ensured आपका threefold improvement in the services. First, it has improved आपका transparency, because आपका जो Google sheet है, that is also an open link. People can see in the media, people can see publicly ki what all, how many complaints have come and which all departments are not doing their duties. So because of that transparency, we are also ensuring accountability of the departments, because media is very active in the district, citizens are very active in the district. They will be able to see ki which department is lagging behind in ensuring that doing the complaints, and they can be taken to task by the district administration as well as the public. And third, sir, it has improved the competency of the departments who earlier used to go in slumber because there was no accountability for them. Now it is ensured that they complete the task at hand because it is visible to deputy commissioner as well as to public at large. So it has improved up a threefold. It has improved threefold level of services. So there are many such departments, PHE, municipality, EPDCL, all of them have their specific targets which have to be completed, and the report is submitted to Deputy Commissioner's office that the particular complaint is resolved. So similarly, it is the pre-deployment scenario. Now, the post-deployment scenario, the departments have also a better coordination. So one of the major advantages that have occurred is that the departments are able to coordinate among themselves, because every Friday meeting, Deputy Commissioner along with all the line departments sit together and see why the particular complaints are not being able to be redressed. So if at all the complaint is stuck in some other department, they can tell then and there, and both departments can coordinate among themselves right there. So it has also removed the glass walls that were earlier the silos in which the departments were functioning. That silos has been majorly removed, and a better coordination, better system has been implemented right now. So similarly, police department has registered many such cases which were earlier earlier citizens were afraid to go to police thana, thinking ki whether thana people will listen to their complaints or not. Many of the times they were sent back because thanas had lot of loads, but now they have to listen to the complaints because it is in the public domain. So this is overall flow chart of how the grievance redressal system functions. Public give a grievance application to them. It is sent to office docket, entered in the Google form, and sent to the respective departments. The departments then submit the action taken report, which copy of which is kept in the Deputy Commissioner's office as well as sent to the public. If the particular grievance has still not been resolved, then they can file they can reopen their grievance. So that particular number of grievance which was earlier closed will be reopened, and inquiry will be done as to why that was closed in the first place. So this is the current status of grievance redressal. Nearly 465 grievances which we have received till now. Among them, we have yes, sir. Since July, sir, July 2020. Out of, sorry, sir, I'm unable to.
It is almost 10 months when you say July 20. So it is 10 months of
So nearly 10 months. Among that time, there was COVID also. Because of COVID, for 1-2 months, the entire office was closed. So at that point of time, the complaint redressal mechanism was stopped. And
July. That was before July. See, that was before July. Lockdown was before July.
Yes, sir. Sir, lockdowns.
That, offices were not closed after.
Sir, in Assam, yes, sir. In Assam, the movement of public was majorly started from sir August mid.
Okay, move.
Yes, sir. So, sir, during the time of elections also, 1-to-1 meetings have been stopped, although entering into the docket has been going on. So, sir, out of 465 complaints, 329 ATRs have been submitted. That is the action taken reports. Still 136 ATRs are pending. After 2nd May, which is the counting day, we will again restart the 10 AM meetings in Deputy Commissioner's office, and the remaining ATRs will also be resolved by then. Sir, as shown, sir, nearly 70% action taken reports have been submitted. That is 70% grievances have been resolved till now out of the total grievances which have been submitted. And sir, now we'll come to the replicability and the future prospects of the scheme. So, sir, right now in the first phase, we have not given the option of online complaints filing to the public, because we first wanted to systematize the existing offline as well as through docket system. So now we are in a position to implement online complaint filing system. We will keep the existing system for the public which are not able to access online system, and for public which can file online complaints, we will also give them the opportunity so that they don't have to come in person. Any complaint which can be taken care of without discussing that issue in person with the complainant can be resolved through online portal only. So in future, we will be creating an online portal for that. And so secondly, the portal will also help in the coming COVID situation. So sir, as we know that in most of North India, COVID has taken its huge toll. In Assam also, COVID situation is increasingly getting worse. So in coming times, we will have to ensure that as happened earlier, the because of COVID, the complaint grievance redressal does not stop. So the online system will help in that. Moreover, sir, we are also planning to do it by VC. So we can people can file in that online portal, and we can give them a time slot where they can come in, where they can come in person through Zoom meetings, and rest of the department can sit through that Zoom meeting from their respective homes or from their deputy commissioner's office if the office is open.
Please conclude now.
Yes, sir. So overall, it's a that project has a huge scope of replicability in other districts also, as well as a huge scope of improvement in that we can increase and ensure that the facilities reach APCA to the end persons through online systems, etc. So these are some of the grievances that have come up. We have just put an example. So, sir, this is a snapshot of the meetings which happens. So all the line departments and branches are called, and there's public which sits at the end of the table, and they can in person tell their complaints. Thank you, sir. So that was all.
Thank you. Mr. Vibhor Agarwal.
Yes.
There are two things which come in my mind. Good, you have introduced this system. So, but the only thing is how much reduction in time is there, no? You are now digitized the process, integrated with other departments now. It must ultimately reduce to A, reduction in time, and B, the people should be satisfied with the action taken by you. So how do you measure whether people are really satisfied? What feedback mechanism you have to see that they are happy with your grievance redressal?
Yes.
And secondly, how much is the time reduction vis-a-vis the earlier system?
So to answer your first question, the action taken report is sent to public also. So whoever has filed the complaint, the action taken report is sent to them. So they have an option to ensure that after the action taken report is up to the mark. If they are not satisfied with the action taken reports, what we do is we already tell them, we have publicized through media that they can again come to the DC office. They can file a re-complaint in the docket so that their existing complaint can open.
Is it happening? Is it happening?
Yes, sir. There have been 2-3 cases where one was a case in PWD roads department where mending of the roads had occurred. So the department had closed it without doing the full renovation. So at that time, the public had come to the next week's Friday meeting and they had complaints. So the PWD roads department was taken to task as to why the complete renovation was not ensured.
Okay. And time? Second.
Yes, sir. So to answer the second question, so the time reduction. So earlier there was no record of the time as such because the complaints which used to come, if people used to go to directly to the departments, if they were already implementing that project, then it would occur. Otherwise, they would ultimately have to go to deputy commissioner or to some senior officer to ensure that the particular department does it work. So there was no record of the time. So, but now what happens is that after a complaint has been filed, we ensure that we give a time of 2 weeks to them. And so that also depends on the complaint. If the complaint involves renovation of roadworks, which will take more time, so accordingly the time is allocated. So, but in other cases where immediate redressal can be done of the complaints, we give them a time of 2 weeks at max. So once the complaint comes, when the complaint is taken in particular Friday meeting, 2 weeks after that, in the next to next Friday meeting, those the complaints of the previous Friday meetings are taken and the reviews taken.
Okay.
My question is, most of the states already has a online system of complaint redressal and why do you go this halfway?
Sorry, sir, I could hear only till that most of the states have online system.
And why did you go for this half system? That some are putting on Google Docs, some are giving it on physical mode.
Sir,
Why we are
Google-
reinventing the wheel?
Sir, Google Docs is created for all the complaints. People have two options, either to directly give them in docket and along with giving in docket
Agreed.
or without giving in, they can come in
I
person.
agree, sir.
So the
My
reason-
question is why did we go for this system? Why did we not go straight away to online system? Because
Yes, sir.
most of the states already have it.
Yes, sir. So the reason for not implementing an online system right now is because people who come with complaints, most of them are not able to access up the online system. Most of them are not digitally literate enough to ensure that they file complaints online. So even if we implement a system online, we will have to ensure that the current system
I
isn't.
know, yes, both systems should be simultaneously working.
Yes, sir. Sir,
And then there should be a formal feedback mechanism rather than or some kind of survey
yes, sir.
that
Sir,
whether the complainants are satisfied with the action taken by the departments.
yes, sir. So you're very true in pointing that out. So in the online system that we'll be implementing now, we will be keeping that facility because now the system will be done. So, but the only reason that was not done online right now is because we needed to systematize it. Because if we would have directly started an online system and we would not have been able to follow up on that, then the system would also have been gone to waste. So because we are now more confident as to that we have a tracking system, we have a proper system of monitoring it, we can now come to an online system. So what survey, what
Next
feedback we have-
next issue is that you are sending all the complaints to all the departments.
Yes, sir.
Why not at some, because that wastes a lot of time of all the departments, which does
No, sir.
not belong to them. That complaints may not be belonging to all
Yes.
the departments. So instead of doing that, let us have some kind of AI system which actually identifies that complaint belongs to which department and directly sends it to them.
Yes, sir. Sir, I totally agree with the AI system. So, but right now also, the individual department sheet is shared with them individually. So the entire sheet is not shared to the department. Only the total number of complaint sheet is shared publicly. And the individual complaints which have come, that particular Google sheet is only shared with the respective department.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
access to another domain. Give me access to document key, document serial key.
So, okay, we meet at 2 o'clock.
I would like to know is if everyone is done with the voting.
The voting polls have been opened, but we are unable to submit it.
So you'll have to vote for every single project, and then only you'll be able to submit your vote.
Okay.
Please, thank you.